In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack lists for teams. Whether you're new to Slack or just looking to maximize its capabilities for team collaboration, this guide is perfect for you. So let's dive right in and explore how to effectively create and manage lists within your team's workspace. First, navigate to Slack. If you haven't already opened Slack, you'll need to head over to your favorite browser and log into your workspace. This might sound pretty straightforward, but ensuring you're logged into the correct workspace can save you a lot of hassle later on. Once you're in, make sure you've granted the necessary permissions to integrate any apps, as this can sometimes be required for enhanced functionality. Next, click on the Google button if you're prompted with an option to sign in. Choose your Google account to allow Slack to connect seamlessly with Google applications. This ensures that any integrations you'll be leveraging in Slack are ready to go without any hitches. Once you've selected your account, you may need to click on Continue to finalize the login process. Now that you're logged in, select a channel where you'd like to upload your list. Channels in Slack are spaces dedicated to particular projects or topics, and selecting the right channel is crucial for organizing tasks effectively. Once inside the channel, locate the plus sign. This icon is a gateway to a variety of new features within Slack, including the creation of lists. Click on List, and you'll be directed to a section where you can start building your new list. To begin, click on Create New List. This action initiates a fresh blank list ready for customization to meet your team's needs. Take a moment to edit the name of your list. Choose something descriptive that makes it clear to everyone what the list is intended for. As you begin populating your list, you might notice the need to tweak some details. Editing the fields is a useful tool here. You can change the field type if the current option doesn't suit your requirement, or you can edit the field name to better represent the task. Once you're satisfied with the edits, click on Save. This choice finalizes your current list setup, but don't worry if you missed a spot. You can easily add fields by clicking the plus sign next to your existing fields, a handy feature for any late additions. Continue by saving your updates with another click on Save, ensuring all your inputs are well accounted for. Feeling ready to share your list with your team? Go ahead and click on Share. This action will give you a link that you can copy. Finally, paste this link into different channels in Slack to share your list widely. This method not only enhances transparency among your team members, but also keeps everyone on the same page regarding tasks and deadlines.